Hey guys, it's me, Kyle. Today, we're making a volcano, but not a real one, just the fun, bubbly kind. Step 1. Grab a cup, some baking soda, and vinegar. Step 2. Add a few drops of red food coloring for lava vibes.
Whoa!
Now, watch closely. When we pour the vinegar in, it's erupting! Whoa! That's science and art working together, just like teamwork. Okay, scientists, clean up time. See you next time in Kyle's Big Universe.